Welcome to the Chemistry of Air. I begin with a quote by Joan Baptista van Helmont, a European scientist who made this statement in 1648, that all plants immediately and substantially stem from the element water alone. I have learnt from the following experiment. I took an earthen vessel in which I placed 200 pounds of earth dried in an oven and watered with rainwater. I planted in it the stem of a willow tree weighing 5 pounds. 5 years later, it had developed into a tree weighing 169 pounds and 3 ounces. So the tree went up to 169 pounds and 3 ounces. Here's the big 169 pound willow tree. Nothing but rain had been added. The large vessel was placed in earth and covered by an iron lid with a tin surface that was pierced with many holes. I have not weighed the leaves that came off in the 4 autumn seasons. Finally, I dried the earth in the vessel again and found the same 200 pounds of it diminished by about 2 ounces. The dirt lost a mere 2 ounces in 5 years. There are 16 ounces in a pound, so the final mass was 199 pounds and 14 ounces. So what does Van Helmont conclude from this 5-year-long experiment? Hence, 164 pounds of wood, bark, and roots had come up from water alone. What else could he conclude? The mass of the tree went up by 164 pounds. He thought the only mass entering the system was water. Therefore, trees must be a different form of water. And he went on to purport a grand one-element theory of matter, that everything is water in some phase or state. All life, he said, evolved out of the ocean. Most things can be melted back into a liquid, watery state, and certainly all plants and trees, he proved, without a doubt, are nothing but water. We know in the 21st century there are 3 states of matter. There's the solid state, the liquid state, and there's this third gaseous state. And this is what this third state is what Van Helmont was not aware of. He wasn't privy to how this thing we walk through, and it makes sense that he didn't know much about it because it's odorless, we can't really see it, it doesn't really give much evidence of its chemical properties, it doesn't reveal its chemical properties that clearly to us. So it's this third state that he was not taking into account when he assessed or made his conclusion about his experiment. And this is where we begin. So let's dive in to the chemistry of air.